Hi everyone. So it's possible to make your 6th gen Camaro Z01 and the SS, anything with the NPP exhaust, how to make it loud all the time so that you can run it in tour mode where it's a softer ride but still have the loud sound that everybody wants, I want. This is how you do it. I will show you. Here is the fuse diagram in the manual. You can find it there, and this is the cover. And if you look at it, it matches there. If you turn it sideways, it's got the positive over there, the positive here, and it's fuse 51. So with the cover off, if you look at the manual, you can see exactly where it's at. 2 over from this fuse, which is that 15 right there. Take it out, and that's it. You're good to go. Now, the most important thing to remember if you're going to pull your fuse to make your exhaust louder all the time is you're going to need to have it in sport or track. That way the valves are open. If you pull the fuse when it's in tour mode, the car thinks they're supposed to be closed and they'll stay closed. But if you pull it when it's in sport or track and they're already open, they'll stay open. Thanks for watching.